channel, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the like and share my video as well. Yeah, I want to do my turmeric face mask before bed, and why I am actually doing it before bed is that I'm gonna be using lemon. So if you're gonna be using lemon, I will not advise you use this during daytime. So you can actually use this, you can use instead of lemon, sorry guys, instead of lemon you can use yogurt or aloe vera. So aloe vera hydrates your skin, and yogurt as well is a lactic acid, which is very good for your skin. Right, so why I don't recommend lemon for during the day is that your face can actually get sensitive to it, and especially when you are going under the sun, it can actually burn your skin. So that's why I would not recommend lemon for daytime. So that's why I use it at night time, but it's very effective. So as aloe vera and yogurt as well, they are very effective as well. It doesn't really matter, whichever one you use is very fine, but I just, you know, kind of prefer them. I use yogurt, I use aloe vera as well, you know, I use all of those. So but you know, lemon, I just love lemon anyway. So but don't use these during daytime. It's gonna burn your skin if you're going under the sun, and especially if you do not use SPF sunscreen, then it will burn your skin. So don't use it daytime, use it bedtime, before bed. Then, you know, and I love the feel of my face whenever I wake up in the morning. I just love the feel of my face. It feels so, you know, like feels so rebrand, you get what I mean, and fresh, looking fresh and all of that. So yeah, I like to do it before bed. Right, so I'm gonna be using lemon and milk as well. You know why? This milk actually like kill the ash part of the lemon, you know, a little bit. So I'm gonna be using fresh milk as well. So I'm gonna be using vitamin C and turmeric powder. This is like the major something, you know. So turmeric powder is very nice. You can also use it for cooking, you know. It's good for, you know, weight loss and all of that, like, you know. And then I'm gonna be using honey as well. So I've got my lemon squeezer here and a empty container. So yeah, let's get into this. So first thing first, I'm gonna cut my lemon. Let me bend my camera. Okay guys, I'm gonna be using half lemon. I'm gonna squeeze this up. If you don't have this orange squeezer, you can just, you know, just squeeze it with your hand and get the lumps out, the seeds rather, and all the shafts in it. You can just, you know, sieve them out. So all we need is just the plain juice. Okay, that's it. And here we have our fresh lemon juice. So I'm gonna put that in this container. Right. I'm gonna be adding some turmeric powder. So 1 teaspoon turmeric, and my vitamin C powder. So that's just a little bit of it, like half teaspoon of vitamin C. Right. A bit of honey, like a teaspoon of honey. And a bit of milk. Okay. I'm gonna mix all that together. So you make it into a paste, not too watery and not too thick, so that you can get it on your face very soft and, you know, easy. So I like it like this. So what I do, so I use my you know, fingers to just apply it. But if you are someone that fixes nails, make sure you use a brush, like a makeup brush, to apply it on your face, because this yellow thing will just mess up your nails. Everything will turn yellow. So but I don't fix nails, so I just go with my palm. And make sure that your hands are clean. I've washed my hands before I started this video, so yeah, it's nice and clean. So the purpose of that is just to make sure that you are not transferring any bacteria on your face. So sorry about the background noise, my kids are here and they won't just let me do what I have to do. So right, so I'm just gonna go in with this and apply this all over my face. Oh no guys, I forgot to remove my chain. Okay guys, so I've removed my chain. So I'm just gonna So when you're applying this, make sure you rub it in your skin. You will feel this scrub thing inside it. It feels like a scrub. So make sure you scrub your skin inside it as well, like rub it, scrub it in your skin. And if you've got a dark circle under your eyes as well, make sure you scrub under there with it as well. It will brighten up the dark circle. Okay baby, I'm coming. Yeah, hold on for mommy. Yeah, so yeah, so I also go with this on my neck as well, so that it brightens up my neck as well, and my face and my neck blends together. You get what I mean? If you've got a dark neck, this guy is going with my turmeric powder. Okay guys, so yeah, I've applied everything on my face and my neck. So make sure that you tie in like a towel, or something that you can easily like take off. It's not something that you will take off from your head. So this is just like a tube dress, so I'm just gonna pull it down below and then pop in the shower. But we are not going in the shower right away. I'm gonna leave this on for like 20 to 25 minutes until it gets dry anyway. So you know when to take it off. So until it gets dry on your face, then yeah, you will hop in the shower. So right, so this prevents acne and also fights acne scars. It fights sunspots and dark circles hyperpigmentation, pimples, you know, all of that. It fights all of that, and it will brighten up your skin. Your skin will look so glowy, fresh, and you know, all of that, and popping. So yeah, so I'll be back again after washing my face. So I'm gonna actually like have my shower and you know, all of that, wash this off, and that's it. I'll be back. Okay guys, this is what my face looks like after having a wash. So yeah, what do you think? My face is looking radiant and glowy. So right guys, there's one more thing that I want to mention. If you feel like you still got the yellowish stuff on your face, you need a cotton wool. Okay guys, we dip the cotton wool inside a milk, a fresh milk. This one's a natural bacterial on your skin, so this is very good. So you just wipe around your face like that with the milk and cotton wool. You know, I believe my face is clean, but I'm just showing you in case you want to get rid of every of the turmeric on your face. So right guys, see, that's it. It's just so clean. So that's it guys, and then you can apply your moisturizer, whatever, and you can just leave your face like that and go to bed. Sorry about the noise, this boy is just, I don't know. So that I do this once a week, but if your face is very severe, you can do it like 3 to 4 times a week. But I just I just do mine once a week because my face is not that, you know, severe anymore. So yeah, that's it guys. So take care of yourself, love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.